So I have a list of products in column B, and I want to know how many times does every item appear on the list. So I have my item list in here, and I want to know how many times does TV appear, how many times does laptop appear, and so forth and so on. So I'm gonna click on cell E3, and I'm gonna start by typing the equal sign, and I'm gonna type count if, and I'm gonna open up the parentheses, and then it's asking me for a range. So in this case, my range is going to be from cell B3 down to cell B15. So I'm gonna select that, and I'm gonna hit the F4 key so that this range doesn't change even when I copy the formula to other cells. Okay, and then I'm gonna type in here a comma, and then it's asking me what do I need to count. So I want to count the number of times that cell D3, or in this case the word TV, appears on that range. And then I'm gonna close parentheses, and I'm gonna hit enter. And as you can see, it tells me that the word TV appears 3 times on this range. So to check if that's true, I'm gonna see here that here's my first one, then it's over here, and then it's again over here. I'm gonna put it in green just to make sure that these cells are selected, and I'm gonna copy this formula down to the other cells to check if it's working as it should. So in this case, laptop, it's appearing 5 times, so it's here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and then the word PC, it's appearing 4 times, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then the word keyboard is not available in this range, so it says 0, and then the word printer, it only appears once. So that's how you count different items on a list. Alright, I hope that video was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to hit the red button to like and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, and you'll be motivating me to upload more tutorials and videos for you. See you next time!